Today, we're diving into the world of common garden weeds and the best ways to say goodbye to them. Let's get started! Ever wonder what's popping up in your garden uninvited? Meet our first culprit, dandelions. They're those pesky yellow flowers that spread like wildfire. But fear not, we have a trick to tackle them. Grab them by the root! Use a trowel or a weeder to dig deep and pull out the entire root. That way, they won't come back for a surprise visit. Next up, we have crabgrass, the sneaky ninja of weeds. These guys creep up in bare spots and steal all the nutrients. But here's how to stop them in their tracks. Spread mulch like a blanket. Mulch not only keeps your soil moist and happy, but also acts as a barrier against these unwelcome invaders. Last, but not least, the thistles. With their sharp spines, they're like the tough guys of the weed world. But here's our secret weapon: patience and persistence. Use gloves and a sharp tool to dig out thistles carefully, making sure to remove the entire root. And there you have it, simple tips to identify and bid farewell to common garden weeds. Remember, a little TLC goes a long way? Happy gardening!